back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Tiana. A little over a year ago, I had my son, and then 2 weeks later, we moved across the country from California to Florida. We've been living with my parents since then. The goal has always been to get our own house. We are closing on ours today. So there is a bit of packing that needs to be done. A lot of our stuff is actually in storage right now because we only had 2 rooms here. We put everything else that we had in storage for today so that we could just move it from there instead of unpacking everything in this house. Last night I packed up Ben's room and Ben's closet. Today I have a little bit of packing as well. Like I said, a lot of our stuff is in storage, so it's not a ton of stuff. So let's get packing. We just had some Wendy's and had a little break time before we continued packing. All that I have left is my desk, which I'm about to do, and then this little room, that's our bathroom, like under the sink, and then Ben's bathroom, and then we'll be good to go. Ben is napping right now. He gets up around 3 to 3:30. So I'm gonna try to pack up as much of my desk right now as I can before I have to feed him. So yeah, let's get this desk packed up. The drawers of the desk are all empty now, all in these boxes. I am going to feed Ben and then we're gonna head over to the house. Okay, so here is an empty house tour. Over here is our first bedroom. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, by the way. Here is the first bathroom. And if you're wondering who's hiccuping, it's not me. Here's the second bedroom. And then we have the living room. This is where the dining table is supposed to go. The kitchen, and then a little breakfast nook area over there. Here is the master bedroom. It has a nice tray ceiling with a fan, and then the master bath. Little toilet room, a shower, and then our tub. And then a nice walk-in closet. And over here is our third bathroom. It's the same as the first one. And then our last bedroom. And then a closer look at the little breakfast nook and our kitchen. And here is the pantry. Room. And then that is just the garage and the air. So we're just waiting for EJ and my dad to come over. They've got the first load of the U-Haul. Basically what I'm going to be doing right now is cleaning out all of the cabinets and drawers and things like that, so that they're clean for us to put our stuff into. My mom did just get here. She just put some stuff on the floor, so I think we can go ahead and get started. All right, it's been 2 days since moving. A lot of stuff is actually in its place now. This is the closet. Before, I had clothes in like 4 different closets, and now it mostly fits in one. It's our sink and our bedroom. The guys are trying to figure out how to hang the TV. Oh wow. Oh, this is the kids or Ben's play place, but it's kind of messy. It's the most fleshed out, I think, but it's the kitchen. Mostly everything is in its home. Absolutely everything needs to be washed, which is annoying, but it's fine. And then our couches are put together.
You did bring the socket there.
We bought a new TV that they're hanging. Ben is crying. This is EJ's room. Guest bathroom for right now. And this is my office.
This, I think it's Dang, moment of truth.
I just learned today.
Good morning, guys. It's a few weeks later. Our media console arrived last week, so EJ's staying home right now to put it together. And Ben and I are heading to Target. We have a little bit of grocery shopping to do, and I want to take a look at some of the decor items to see if we can kind of dress up the space just a tiny bit. And I also wanted to look at some of the like under sink storage type of stuff, because right now we have a lot of stuff that is kind of hard to get to and it's not super organized. So just kind of taking a look around to see what our options are. We're taking a lunch break. I got a poke bowl. What does this have in it, baby?
Shrimp tempura, cucumbers, rice, carrots, and nori.
Yeah. And then I got some boba. This is just a strawberry boba drink. It's so yummy. But yeah, we're taking a break from making the media consoles for now, and then we'll get back to it after we're finished eating.
Spot and go.
We are now outside. I don't even know if you can see him, but EJ's in there. It's too loud. Ben is crying. EJ finished drilling the holes and he did a tiny bit of vacuuming. He's now mowing the lawn, and Ben is watching Hey Bear. I'm going to just gather up all the like styrofoam and try to get them into boxes, throw them into the garage, and then once Ben is down, either EJ or I can like take it out to the dump. Alright guys, Ben is asleep, I thought now would be a good time to show you guys my Target haul because this time around I was not good at recording everything and vlogging just because Ben was a little bit frustrated and wouldn't stop crying unless I was holding him, so I was holding him for most of the trip. So I'm just gonna go through a few of the items, not everything, just the decor pieces and storage items that I was talking to you guys about earlier. So for decor, the first thing is this painting. I thought it was so cute, just very whimsical and relaxing. I plan on putting that in the bathroom. The next piece I found was this. I just thought it was really cute and it would look good in the kitchen. Kind of like how I have the board up. Maybe this can just go against the wall. Next, I got these faux flowers. I thought these were just so cute and very like light and airy. Baby's breath, of course, is just like the perfect add-on flower to make things super cute. So yeah, I got these flowers. And then another item for the kitchen is this little pedestal tray thing. I can just like put whatever I want. I don't know if you can see them, but like in the corner over there, I don't really like the setup. Actually, the entire section, I'm not like super sure if I like that setup and want it. So I was thinking about putting this in place of the other board and just kind of playing around. Okay, for storage, I found this. This is just a very deep and wide basket that you can just like pull out. It's a drawer. Right now it's got the zip ties on it, so I can't. I really like that there's nothing on top, so I can also just use it as a shelf. The last piece that I found was this other storage item. It's basically the same thing, just has like a top basket with walls and then is a little bit narrower. Both of these will be under the sink, probably my sink for now because I just have so much stuff that I need to organize, and I think having these will really help. This is what we have. It's very bare, but this is all that I really have in store right now. So it's just a faux plant, a vase. This is our wedding guest book and our anniversary present from one of our family members. And then just a little basket and some beads. And then obviously the lamps. I think she's cute. Obviously, over time, I will build up my decor pieces and switch things in and out. But I think right now it looks good and I'm really happy with it. The media consoles actually took a really long time to build. It took EJ 2 hours to do the first one, and that was when we were at Target. And then I came home and helped him. He did one and I did one, and then that took pretty much the same amount of time. That was definitely a hefty amount of time to build those, but they are built and I think they're so cute. I love how they look. Alrighty guys, I think that's going to be the end of this moving vlog. I did have a little bit of other stuff that I wanted to get done, but it's late and I think right now this is a good place to pause. And next week I will be doing the bathrooms and maybe a little bit more decorating. We'll see. For now, this is going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.